Hey everyone, remember my video about using Claude Code for free with Agent Router? Well, I wanted to give you an update because something interesting happened. When I first registered, I had around $172 in credits. Now my balance is around 772. The reason my balance increased by around 600 is that 4 people registered using my referral link. The referral system is pretty simple. If you register using my link, you get $50 and I get $150 in credits. So, 4 registrations gave me $600. And these are not just credits sitting there. You can use agent router with cloudy code and access models like Claude Opus 4.8 and Claude Opus 5. If you haven't seen my previous video, I showed the complete setup there. I'll link it in the description and probably in the end of the screen. If you want to try it yourself, you can register using my link in the description. You will get the $50 offer and I'll receive the referral credits.